Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Diggin, NorCal. We are here with the Sacramento Valley Detective Bus Group pub hunt today on every weekend and every Sunday. Just got my dime here just to start out for the day. So every time I dig a hole, I always bury it back up. So just make sure you don't leave nothing behind. Make it look like you've never been there at the hole. So, and then this is my first time that I got. So we'll take it, and so we'll get you on the next signal. All right, seems like I'm getting a dime signal here. About 81, 82. Just give me a second. I'm gonna get my gloves on real quick. It's hard to operate a camera with gloves on, so I had to take my gloves off. Alright, so let's see. Like an 81, 82 right here. The dirt's kind of hard too. There it is. Another dime. We'll take it. Now we bury the hole back up. Make it look like you've never been there. So we'll get you on the next signal.
You guys are hustling me out.
Alright, looks like I'm getting another signal here. I got 80, 81, pretty much solid of an 81.
I feel like that FedEx truck on the highway, everybody's following it, or UPS. I can't remember
Go
what
after
it
the
was.
shallow shit.
It's like my girlfriend the other day, she was over visiting.
Yeah.
And this guy broke down. He parked right before my house. What's your car need to be close out? No, I don't know. You're down there. You're just out there. Don't worry about it. She says, but I came out.
Yeah, probably.
Did you? Yeah, that's cool.
That's another dime.
Like my wife. Anybody parks in front of my house, it's like, I gotta call the cops.
Yeah.
And we'll get back to you on the next signal. Oh, it looks like I got a quarter here. It pretty much stood there. Wasn't even in the ground. How about that? Didn't have to dig for that one. Take that one. Quarter. Looks like alright. Looks like I'm getting another quarter here somewhere. Popped it right out. The quarter. Kind of hard. There you go. I think it's some light turned in there. Quarter. Go on to the next signal. Alright, I'm getting a penny signal here. We'll see what it is. Hopefully I can find it. fell out. This penny. You already buried the hole back up when you're done. Make it look like you never been there. We'll get back to you on the next signal. Oh, I got another penny signal here. I'm gonna dig it up and see what we got. Ooh.
This is soft compared to that one.
Found one, silver.
Did you?
Silver, I think. Got a ring.
Huh?
The ring. Might be silver.
Is it real or is it memorized?
Huh? I can hear because I got winds coming through. Hang on.
Is it real or is it memorized?
Looks like I found this ring here. And it looks like this character might be Jack Skeleton, but it rang up like a penny, like a 77, 78 right in there. It could be silver, I don't know yet, but I'm gonna test it when I get home. And that's a good find for me for the day. And we'll catch you on the next signal.
Hi, I'm Roger. I'm with an AT Max. Got two little blinger rings. I got a pendant that's all beat up. Got a little Mickey Mouse ears thing with little jewels. I got seven quarters, 6, 7, 8 dimes. It comes out to $2.94. That's some kind of a little push pin thing. I don't know what it is.
I got the two rings.
Hi, I'm Richard, and I'm from Yuba City, and I'm using an Ace 300.
Ace 300.
And with that, I got a little key fob there, and some couple rings, and not the good kind of rings though. Chuck E. Cheese token there, a couple dimes, quarter, 2 quarters, and a nickel, and 5 pennies.
Good hunt.
Not bad for first day.
Yeah. This is my final wrap up here. I got 2 pennies, 2 quarters, 3 dimes, and possible silver ring, but I'm gonna test it when I get home. And it says Disney stamped on the inside, and it's Jack Skeleton. So this is my wrap up for the day, and so I'm gonna continue on with some more wrap up that we have here. So I'll get you on the next one.
How you doing? These are my finds for my 925 ring, and a little heart-shaped.
Oh, neat. Very pretty.
And this is my other little bling ring that I found out in the field.
Wow, that's pretty.
Yeah.
And then those are your clads.
This is my clads. This is my large penny that I found yesterday.
Oh, that's kind of neat.
Size of a quarter.
Wow, that is kind of neat.
And it's a penny.
A penny quarter, a penny the size of the quarter. That's very neat. Very neat. And then what do you do for clads?
I have $1.75 in quarters, and 2 dimes, 4 nickels, 12 cents in the pennies, and my shot, which is a
neat.
lead weight.
Good hunt.
Hey, it's Chris here, and I got out here with the XP Deus, and that's my finds for the day.
You got that pendant there. Hard to see that now. Something just rolled off underneath my feet. The bullet. Snowman. Oh, dimes or pennies?
Pennies.
Dimes. Oh, pennies and pennies or dimes.
They got $1 and pennies, dimes.
Oh, good hunt.
Hi, I'm Dan, and I use the MXT.
MXT.
And today I got 5 pennies, 2 nickels, can't read the dates on them yet, and 1 dime. These 2 were basically surface finds. And then this thing, it says MASO on it, MASO. Have no idea what it is. I'm gonna clean it up when I get home and see what it is.
Hey, good hunt.
Robert Don here, hunting with the Explorer XS.
Okay.
And here's my finds. The ring was probably the best one. And there's just a bunch of pennies and dimes and a quarter. 1 6 flag dope.
Oops.
And I'll clean it up and see what it looks like.
Neat. That's a good hunt.
Hi, John here. I'm using a 800
800.
and did pretty good today. Found 4 wheat pennies, a lot of regular memorial pennies, about 8 dimes I think there, maybe 10,
You got a
and
key.
1 quarter and a key. No nickels today though.
No nickels. And you got a keychain.
Yep. Pretty good haul for a couple hours.
Neat. Good hunt.
Hi Robert, Brian here. Hunting with the club today and hunting with my XP Deus, and here's my today's find.
XP Deus. And what'd you get?
Oh shit, what is it? 11 quarters, 9 dimes, 4 nickels, and 6 pennies, and a Wheatie. Got a Honda Wheatie, 1956 Wheatie, and I don't know what they call it, vape.
Vape. This is kind of
Some
neat.
kind of a medallion. Those 2 were surface finds. All right, near each other. I'm assuming someone's been laying back. Not one of these.
Yeah. Neat.
I'm Scott. I hunt with an MXT Pro.
MXT Pro.
$2.72.
So, for me, every time I found a gold ring, I had no idea, unless I heard a double ring, and you don't always hear that it was actually going to be gold. I mean,
And it must be really frustrating to go to school here.
that I think there were
And what's that?
I think it's a handle for maybe a knife because it's got wood on top of it.
on mine will be a rock top.
Neat.
It's not sharp anywhere.
And I dug that and it was a gold.
That's in Splendid, right?
Yep.
Little diamond. You have to dig. You have to dig. I mean, maybe some people with the better machines, although from what I hear from the
They're part of a combination line. What machine is she using?
MXT.
MXT.
I'll get you some.
Neat hunt. Pretty good.
Hi, my name is Steve, and I'm hunting with a Marcus Macro, the Legend, the new Legend that came out. And today we found pretty good. I got 1 quarter and 2 dimes and a 1 copper penny and 18 zinkers.
18 zinkers.
Yeah. And then I wish I could find the whole watch to this. It got hit by a blade.
It's a gold ring from the big lady.
Yeah, huh? With the battery included.
With a small battery.
Yeah.
And you got broken pieces of watch.
Yeah, and then
You got a key.
and then I got
And part of a Hot Wheel car without the body. It was like a dragster car without the body.
Yeah, modified dragster. Richard Petty in the pits.
Hey, good time.
Hey, I'm Eddie. I hunt with the Equinox 800.
Equinox 800, all right.
Yeah. Selection of quarters. One's a 65, listed by a year for silver, and then the dime is a 66 right here, and then one nickel, quite a pennies. Kid's ring. There's a little
kid ring.
Yeah, and then there's a Little League pin. It says Little League. And a class.
Hey.
Pretty windy day digging.
Yeah, it is a windy day today.
Yeah.
Good hunt.
Hi, I'm John. I was hunting with Garrett Apex.
Garrett Apex.
Hi.
Kids in this school get upset and they tear their pencils apart. Got me nice pieces of lead from a shell. Got a basketball trophy thing.
Like a pendant or something?
Yeah.
How'd you do?
Okay,
Ring.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Put your all your stuff away?
Yeah, I already put it away.
You good?
Mostly pennies and dimes.
And look at that little pretty rock there.
Pretty
Kind
decent
of
on
pretty
rings.
rock, yeah.
That's what I saw.
Very pretty.
I got a ring, child ring, and then a pin, and quite a bit of coins here and there. Not bad.